Now, Lection 30, Part 2. German nouns starting with F with German sentences with English meaning along with English translations. In this video, I have discussed the following German nouns. Number 1, die Familie. Number 2, der Fisch. Number 3, das Fleisch. Number 4, die Freizeit. Number 5, der Frühling. Now in this video, der Satz is the German sentence. English meaning and translations indicates blue arrows. Number 1, singular, die Familie. English meaning family. Plural, die Familien, families. English meaning. Der Satz, German sentence. Meine Familie lebt in Calcutta. Now, English or English translation, my family lives in Kolkata. The conjugation of leben verb is leben, English meaning to live. Ich lebe, du lebst. Sie lebt. Wir leben, ihr lebt. Sie, große leben. Here, definite German article die becomes possessive article meine as per application rule of German articles. Die Familie becomes meine Familie. Die Familie, English meaning the family. Meine Familie, English meaning my family. Number 2, singular, der Fisch. English, fish. Plural, die Fische. English, fishes. Der Satz, German sentence. Wir essen gern Fisch. Now, English or English translation. We like to eat fish. The conjugation of the verb essen. Essen, English meaning to eat. Ich esse, du isst. Sie isst. Wir essen, ihr esst. Sie, große essen. Here, German word gern, English meaning is like to or gladly. Number 3, das Fleisch. English meaning meat, no plural. Die Sätze, German sentences. Number 1, ich esse gern Fleisch. Now English, I like to eat meat. Number 2, Herr Robert Gomes isst gern Fleisch. Now English, Mr. Robert Gomes likes to eat meat. Number 3, Frau Maria Gomes isst gern Fleisch. Now English, Mrs. Maria Gomes likes to eat meat. Number 4, wir essen gern Fleisch. Now English, we like to eat meat. Number 5, Tom, John esst ihr gern Fleisch. Now English, Tom, John, do you all like to eat meat? Number 6, Tom und John essen gern Fleisch. Now English, Tom and John like to eat meat. Number 4, singular, die Freizeit. Plural, die Freizeiten. Free time, English meaning. Die Frage, German question. Herr Gomes, wann haben Sie Freizeit? English or English translation, Mr. Gomes, when Do you have free time? The conjugation of haben verb. Haben, English meaning to have. Ich habe, I have. Du hast, you have, informal. Er, sie, es hat. He, she, it has. Wir haben, we have. Ihr habt, you all have, informal. Say Tom, John, you all have. Sie haben, groß sie haben. They have, and groß sie haben, you have. Here, sie haben, formal. English meaning you have. Number 5. Singular. Der Frühling. Plural, die Frühlinge. English meaning spring. That's a German sentence. Der Frühling ist eine Jahreszeit. Now, English or English translation, the spring is a season. Now, German word and English meaning. The Jahreszeit, German word. English meanings, the season. Now, let us revise the conjugation of sein verb. Sein, English meaning is am is are. Ich bin, I am. Du bist, you are, informal. Say Tom, you are. Er, sie, es ist. He, she, it is. Wir sind, we are. Ihr seid, you all are, informal. Sie sind, groß sie sind. Sie sind, they are, groß sie sind. Say Mr. Gomes, you are, formal. Here, the German definite article der changes into indefinite article eine as per grammatical rule in relation to application of German articles. Das ist alles. That's all. Bis bald. See you soon. Thank you.